Hello everyone, my name is Charan. My register number is 134. This is my first Unix lab experiment. It is about the basic events commands. As you can see over here, the some of the basic commands present in Unix are uh, some of the basic ls, which lists the current file in the directory, and ls alf, which is list in the long format, and cd temp of dar, which is used to change the directory, and cd of double dot, which moves back into the main directory, and cd dot dart web docs, which moves into the darts or web docs of the directory. And then mkdir or graphics is generally used in order to create graphics, and then rmdir is used in order to remove the directory, and cpf file is used in order to copy the file into the directory, and the cpf file is used in order to get back the file from the directory, get back the file. And then rm of file is used in order to remove or delete, and rm star is used to remove all which are present. And man is used in order to get the manual operator of the manual operator. As you can see over here, this will be the output, where when you give ls, the entire things which are present is being shown over here, like what are all the values that are present. And when you give a bar, the output will be like this. And when you give when you create the directories, these will be the commands which are used. And when there is a hidden directory with your name, it will be given as mkdir of your name. And then in order to change into directory 1, you give cd space directory name. um, and then when you have to copy the file, etc or password, then it will be similar, cp space etc space password sample.txt. And then cd space double dot is used in order to get out of the directory. As you can see over here, what is the first question is display the students who are having research interest as cloud computing. We'll go. We'll develop the table using tab space, and then in the first command you will be giving with a vi space test1.txt, and then you give this as cloud computing, and you get all the cut grep command is used here. Grep cloud computing test1.txt is the test file, and space cut of f1 is given. So it will look for the cloud computing, and it displays who all are having cloud computing as their main course, such as Melvin, Mithun, and David. And then cut f1 f2. Second question is list all the students names and register numbers in the class. So f1 will be this and f2 will be this. So we'll be giving it again the command as grep of a name comma register number space test1 dot t text, and cut f1 f2. So you'll be giving the number, the name and register number. Display the content, as you can see over here, display the contents of the file test1 without any blank lines. So you will give a cat space hyphen test1.txt, and then move the file sample into directory 1 into directory 2. We use for the moving the directory, for moving text we give it as mv directory 1 slash sample.txt of directory 2 slash sample.txt. Change it into directory 2, you assign this value as cd space dar of 2. Check whether the sample text is present there, and then it will be a sample.txt. And then ls, if we give, we will get this out. Rename the file sample text to new, and check whether it is there or not. And then you give it as move of sample, move sample.txt slash new.txt. And when you give ls, that new should be displayed over there. And display the calendar of December 2020. Directly you give a command called cal, and then 12 space 2020, and then remove the directory. Give it as rm space rmdir space dir of 1. Display last 3 lines of the file test1.txt, and then use the command as tall hyphen 3 test1.txt, and then display the commands you have executed so far. So you go into history command, file name, and how many files are present under your home directory. You'll ls space, hyphen wc slash w, which gives the word count, and then display the date time. In order to get the time, you give it as date plus percentage d, percentage m, and percentage y in order to give the date in different formats. And then date in hours is calculated as date plus hours percentage h, and minutes as date plus hours percentage minutes percentage m, and hours percentage h minutes, and percentage m seconds, and percentage s. That is all for today. Thank you.